Hi!
Teka, I'll move again.
Okay.
It's always centered on me. Okay, yung yan.
It
Okay.
is auto-center.
Hello?
Hi! We are now
We're
trying for the... How many times? For
the third time.
This is game 3 of
Game
of
three.
Tropico.
Tropico.
Yeah.
Teka.
If-
Oh shit, wala pa yung army base.
If Manny does not want a rematch, we want a rematch. Because of the...
What? Teka, we'll need army base.
Yeah.
We'll add 2.
Need army allow.
Need army.
No viewers, but there were 20 viewers before.
20? No, just 3.
the before we started this stream,
Some
there
comrades
were
from abroad
20.
have
No, I'm
expressed
not.
their desire
Close,
to join our
close.
prosperous community.
Accept
Except
law.
I will pay for immigrants later, but not
Yeah.
today. We will import people.
Military base, build.
Teka.
More tanks, more fun.
More tanks, more fun. Yes, that's indeed
More.
true.
More aircraft.
Let me check how many are unemployed and how many are
Many.
homeless. We have a lot of squatters right now.
Holy
we have
shit.
49 squatters.
Holy shit. Shit.
I think we need to cut the expletives.
Oh. I
I will try to holy sheep.
hear
Holy
sheep.
Holy sheep.
It is P. It is not T, it is P.
That's one way to say it.
P.
Holy sheep.
Yeah, build
Build.
consecutively, simultaneously.
They won't build simultaneously. if Oh, here comes the tourists.
With a sinkhole.
Ayan na, susugod na sila.
Okay.
8
8 citizens. 8 citizens.
Perfect.
Send a welcoming committee. Send.
They can work for my army.
Yes. Allow them to work in your army. Allow. No
They will-
viewers.
That's fine. We'll watch this on YouTube later. Ayan na. Wow! They're still unemployed. So, lumipat lang yung iba dahil
They have changed.
they have changed
Look.
job. They wanted to be soldiers. They wanted to drive tanks.
Yeah, because it's fun, you know. It's fun when you kick somebody's tank. Yeah, somebody's tank. Figuratively, because you cannot do it literally. You will get a broken foot if you kick somebody else's tank.
Let's build another
Aircraft.
Oh, yan na sila.
Build
Speaking
the
of
air.
which.
Oh, they are so many. Oh my God! But their strategy is different now. They are attacking one at a time. Then the tank will come last.
I will build the aircraft carrier
Yes.
to help repel the invasion.
Immortal combat.
Immortal
combat. The characters are not dying because they're immortal.
Immortal ko. They're not even firing.
Oh, come on. They should attend how to fire
How
training.
to fire a missile.
Yeah. How to, and the airplanes are just going in circles. My goodness.
But we're winning. I think we're winning.
You are holding them to just
Where are
one.
my tanks?
They are splitting up. They are splitting up. They are splitting up for the merchandise. For the living merchandise.
Hey, aircraft carrier.
Do something.
Do something.
Oh no, it's tragic, Bronson.
Unemployed, open jobs. I have only one job open.
The tragic Bronson aircraft
And
carrier.
they're all grade school. I have 2 college students.
Oh,
over there.
okay. They do their paperwork already so they can join the military.
army.
Yes.
But I only need illiterate.
Well, if they're illiterate,
citizen.
they don't know how to attack them. So if they are knowledgeable,
Yeah, that makes sense.
they.
That makes a lot of sense, dude. Teka,
Well,
I need to...
if you're winning, it's all right.
Okay, it's reforestation. Oh yeah, go.
You have them surrounded! Surrounded! The tank is eliminated! Oh my god! What chaos! What? The enemy tank has been eliminated!
Oops, excessive. I have what? 3 college students?
Oh, at least someone graduated from high school.
No, they're import. I don't even have a high school here. I don't even remember putting one. There is. There's a high school here. Yeah, I'm teaching students.
Yeah. Well, is it nighttime? Is it,
It is, I think.
Tsunami? We want tsunami.
No.
We want
No,
tsunami.
I don't want.
We want tornado.
No, I don't.
We want tornado. Oh, it's back to daytime. Build another circus for the terrorists for them to be distracted. Then you will attack them from all angles.
What?
Or build an ice cream.
How many they're not moving into my because it hasn't been built yet.
Yeah. Well, let them build.
Teka, let me prioritize.
Yes. Prioritize.
Prioritize this. Prioritize this. Because we need people to
Yes,
live in
yes.
healthy
Environment. And build a supermarket.
Again. There you go. I have a very high entertainment rating.
Supermarket. Supermarket. Oh, food happiness. Look at the food happiness.
It's
They are lonely.
decreasing.
They are lonely. Supermarket. Fast
Malungkot
food.
yung food. That's what you're saying. What? Okay.
They only have broccoli and steak.
In religion. I have to work on these 3.
Yeah.
Food, healthcare, and religion. Okay. When the imports come.
Yeah. Yeah, import. Well, you need 6'5" of maximum height for the imports.
What?
I'm talking of a different
6'5".
import.
6'5" ang ano.
Height ceiling. And if your import
PBA.
yeah, if your
PBA.
import is Asian, they should be only 6'3".
There's a height limit.
Yeah,
for
but
imports?
they can have 2 imports,
I
but
did
the
not
other
know
one
that.
should be 6'3" only. If it's Asian,
Wow, that's
there
right.
should be one
That's-
Asian and one non. Yeah,
One non-Asian.
Yeah.
That's racist. I think I need another army base, but let me build that after.
The EU seems to be...
It's the
The EU,
EU.
the never-ending EU.
EU na yun. Let's build roads here. I think I need another construction.
Yes, yes. Put a road on the ocean. Road in the
You
ocean.
can't. Not even possible. I'll put a manager here. Because
Yes,
it's not,
yes.
they're not doing very well.
Five managers.
You can only put one.
Landlord. Tactician. Union leader. You put a union leader for the United Nations. Come on, come on.
No, I don't need a foreman. Fine. But job quality increases. I'll increase their salaries.
Yes.
And then
It's the season for increasing
salary.
salaries.
Like, no, it's not.
In this,
I will...
in Tropico.
In Tropico, I'll put another...
Yes.
I'll put a manager here, a general.
Yes. General McGoberts.
General McGoberts. I will... he shall be
Goberts or get
henceforth
lost.
named General McGoberts.
Goberts or get lost.
Comrades in China with
Vasquez, oh my God.
Some comrades from
The EU.
The EU,
The EU.
the official song of Tropico. Ting, 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 ting.
Come on, official song of Tropico. Oh,
Yeah.
may...
Job open positions, oh my God.
I
Population,
have-
lack of population, oh my God. Build hotels. Build
Why?
hotels for more population.
but... no. I just need to upgrade for more population. I need to upgrade the clinic. But it's fully upgraded already.
TV stations. You need to build TV stations.
Wait.
And power plants.
Yes, it's already building.
Tin,
Let
tin,
me-
tin, tin.
Let me check
Tin, tin, tin,
what
tin.
I need to build. Health?
Religion,
No,
happiness. They are not happy.
They're not happy with the churches? Let me add one.
Put all kinds of churches in there so that they have preference.
It's only a church.
they,
It's not even a Buddhist temple.
what they have there? Only cathedral?
It's a predominantly Christian game.
Only cathedral is available?
Cathedral, yes, but I need a lot of people if it's a cathedral. I need a lot of workers to man that. And I don't have the population to do that. So let me check my constitution. Immigrants nation naman, police state. Ay, subsidies ng declaration. Okay. Sige, let's talk.
Welfare and media.
But I need 3 college students to... I need 8 college students.
Why is there a cathedral, a church, and a Catholic mission?
Yes, a Catholic mission.
Build
Like
them
a missionary.
Build they have preference.
Yeah.
You, clinic, hospital.
Sige, I'll put up a cathedral. Because I think the people of Tropico need
Yes.
much guidance.
Yes, they need divine
They
intervention.
need
for-
divine intervention to win this war. So where do I put it? I don't know where to put it. I put it here. Along the road. Behind the hotel.
Yes, yes.
In front of the circus.
So that after circus.
Oh, one loyal viewer.
Hello!
In case you missed it, we're
Hello.
putting up a cathedral in front of the circus. Behind of these numerous hotels. And I
Yes,
don't have the
yes.
population to sustain that. Oh my God.
Tini, 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 tini.
Tropicans await elections next year. They wish to show their everlasting love and respect.
Respect,
Oh, no.
hassle, loyalty.
Respect has a loyalty.
Yeah. Elections.
12 months. Can I just
Elections.
declare martial law?
Yes, yes.
So there won't
Declare.
be elections.
Declare. It's 1992. February 92. 11 months to go before elections. Do something, anything, something.
Increases the food consumption. I don't think I can.
There, build a cathedral there. Build a barn.
Yes. Ay, tobacco farm. No, it's not a corn farm. Stupid. I think this is...
Why that place looks it has lack of
Okay. Let's put a manager here.
yes, agent,
I know.
landlord, financier, foreman, inventor,
Magnate. Oil building pala yun.
union leader, Yes, yes.
No, it's a foreman. No, wag na lang. Let's just leave it like that.
Oh, yeah. Ay, come on. Oh,
Ayan na.
terrorist!
Oh my
Terrorist!
God! This is where I lost the game
Terrorist!
earlier.
Terrorist!
No, it's an invading force.
Oh, they are splitting up for the livestock.
They're not after the women, they're after the livestock.
They are splitting up for the livestock.
Oh no, my tanks.
Tanks versus men, and the tanks lost.
No, they're not yet losing. The plane.
Make a strategy election.
Oh my God.
Grade
this is
school for
hard.
grade school.
This is hard. Okay, 47%.
Okay.
You have a lot of things going on.
A lot of things has got going on. A lot of things
What?
there.
The-
Elections.
What?
8
Elections
months.
are
8
in 8
months.
months
Oh my
and
God.
we're being invaded.
Yes. That's how happy Tropico is.
So happy to be in Tropico.
The island of Tropico
Tropico.
is being invaded in the nighttime. Who will save Tropico? Find out in the next episode of Tropico.
There is a next episode of Tropico.
Previously on Tropico. Well, this is the...
Previously. Oh, I won! I was
Tinit.
able to repel them.
Excuse
I
me.
know it's not.
They are somewhere in the rocky roads.
Oh my God. Go fighter planes, aim at them, kill them, please. We have successfully repelled the enemy invasion, General. Yes.
Yes. How many, it costs how much?
I don't know.
Oh, we won successfully. Yes.
Of course.
You must have extra income for winning. Like salary cap. Like
We increase their salary?
Yes.
No, I don't need to increase their salaries because-
Increase the money in Tropico for more building.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
I know.
salary cap.
I'm not gonna increase their salary. Usually, you only increase salaries if there are no people
Oh.
working. So people will be attracted to
Oh.
go to that work.
Tip, 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 tip. Hello, one loyal viewer. If you like Tropico, this is the next best thing.
What next best thing?
Tropico.
Well, we're actually playing Tropico. What's the next best thing?
Watching Tropico. If you're not playing,
If you're not playing
you're
Tropico, this is the
watching.
next best thing.
We
Yes.
have an opportunity to influence
Yes,
the outcome of
yes.
the election.
Whatever you say.
Oh no! I only have
That
one
will
month.
not, I guarantee.
Better be safe than sorry. I wasn't paying attention. Only have
Oh,
1
no.
month left.
Oh, it's already December.
Oh no, I think we're gonna lose. Yari.
Cathedral is
Can I
done.
declare martial law?
Military drills. What's that?
Elections issue. I pulled off a Marcos there. I pulled off a Marcos. Let's hire a few more. We need to fix the elections.
Yes.
I need to
Yes.
improve first the economy of Tropico.
Hey, boss. I must be counting the ballots, boss. I'm counting the ballot now. Tinit. Oh, the Undertaker. Oh, the Undertaker. Oh my God, hide.
I stopped the elections. I feel like a Marcos. I pulled off a Marcos just now.
News.
6 died from starvation.
Oh,
my
come
God.
on. I told you. Starvation. See, well, it got worse because previously only 4 died from starvation. No, 6 of
Yeah,
them
this time it's-
starvation.
doing better as well. Actually, one might even go as far
It's
as
because
saying you could be doing
I
a
have
lot
this,
better, and, well, not really that much
Where's
worse.
that? I have this extra rations
More roads for more rations. More rations, more fun.
Corn. It's all red.
Tropico. Corn, overlay corn. The Children of Corn
What's Children of Corn?
movie.
Is there a movie?
Yes, title is Children of Corn. So many. It's not just a trilogy. It's so many. It's like Star Wars. you search for it, Children of
Sige,
Corn.
it sounds interesting.
Yeah. It is literally and figuratively, but it's a horror. Yeah.
I will instant build this.
Yes.
So the Children of Corn can
harvest.
Yeah.
Nobody should die from starvation.
Yeah.
Maybe those who died from starvation are from the other side of the
I have
island.
53 open jobs. What happened?
Nobody's getting hired. Oh my God! Your hiring process should be easier.
Oh my God.
What questions are you asking your?
Ayan, 25 citizens arrived in Tropico. They should be able to fill up the job.
Yes.
Let's see.
Why don't you get a job in the cathedral? Get ordained or something, or clean the aisle. Oh, the undertaker. Oh my God.
Unemployed 15. I saw. Oh my God, look at this. Okay lang yan. At least I have a lot of farms. Stick farm. And we don't have coal. We need a coal mine.
Michael Cole. Oh my God. Michael Cole.
Some people are protesting because they're unhappy.
Well, since you're the
Comrade President,
the guy there,
during the revolution,
boo.
Build 2 cabins, okay.
Cabin by the woods, cabin by the lake, cabin by the cornfield.
What the hell are you saying?
Cabin by the grocery store.
Let's put it side by side.
Cabin by the trees.
Okay lang yan.
Cabin by the shore.
Can't see, my eyes are
So
really
many
bad
cabins. And
Oh, there's another strike? Come on.
oh, come on.
Comrade President,
I think they
It's the same.
they like baseball. Strike 1, strike 2, strike 3. Expel, accept.
We have reached the EU reward center.
15,000 press, 15,000. For terrorist attack, press 1.
Comrade President,
For tsunami, press 2. For tornado, press 3.
Oh no. I don't have banana.
For bananas,
I don't have anything to export.
there are no bananas in
There
their
are no-
pajamas.
Bananas in my pajamas.
Pineapple in
Oh,
your...
it's Verge who's watching.
Oh,
it's you, mother effer.
Oh,
So
my
it's
goodness.
you.
Oh, it's the showstopper.
It's a showstopper. Oh,
It's the
hello.
showstopper. It's
I
the-
thought it was a stranger watching.
Oh, I was a bit disappointed. We thought that it's a stranger, but it is the showstopper.
It's the showstopper.
Oh my God! How's it going there, fella?
Hello.
How are you doing in? You are just laughing, and we are asking you how are you doing?
Delayed telecast, man. He's
Oh.
gonna answer that question in probably 1
Yeah.
minute.
Well, he's not subscribed to pay-per-view.
Yeah, this is not pay-per-view.
Pay for immigrants. Pay for Verge. Verge is on the verge of... What? You will eat? What the... Come on, eating time is already done, man. It's already 8:20 something. Do not eat. Just stream.
Oh my God. Losing.
Restaurant so that they will be happy.
Teka,
Restaurant.
Ang dami kong
Restaurant.
jobs na pwede kong
Waiter in restaurant. Waiter.
Teka, may coal naman pala ako eh. May coal input naman pala ako. So, yung kaya may coal mine ako dito. Wala kasi yung coal mine ko. I forgot where I put my mines. Oh, there's the coal. Kasi walang power to eh. Ayun na, meron na. Sige, kain ka lang muna dyan. Enjoy.
Yes. Comer, it doesn't matter. Just eat and
Comer.
eat.
You're gonna say something in Spanish? Huh?
Population, low population.
I have lots of jobs.
Low population and there is starvation. Oh no. Politics, internal threats.
Internal threats. I have
Foreign
no
relations.
rebels. Do you want me to kill this person?
Kill, kill.
No.
Sabotage. Sabotage.
Let's have
Sabotage.
Teka, I don't know what to do now. I'm looking at numbers and I don't know I don't understand. Wait. I forgot to do something. I was going to repeal the martial law.
Yes.
Let us repeal martial
President,
law.
Tropicans await elections next year. They wish to
No,
show
there is
that
no need.
everlasting
I already
love
know
and
I am in the
respect
hearts
for
of
you.
people.
They may have used different words, but
Kill.
No. Let's not kill.
Assassinate. Assassination. For more decapitation.
Man,
Well, it's not
why are
expletive.
there two college students not working? Come on, look at that. There are
Because-
two vacancies. in
Because
the
they
power
are
plant.
studying.
A larger
They are
invasion force.
studying.
A larger invasion force.
Yes.
Tropico.
They
Oh,
are
no. This is
studying.
hard.
Yes, James Harden. Oh.
What's this? Who's this?
Oh. You-
Party. You want to party?
Do you wanna party?
Let's
Mini
wait.
party.
We're just we're just gonna accept
Yeah.
the invitation of Verge to party.
He wants to party.
He wants to party.
He is envious of our
He wants to party. Hello, who wants to party?
Yeah. Who wants to
Who
party?
wants to party?
For party?
Yo. Narinig mo ba? Wala.
No.
No, you don't? Teka.
Nothing.
Teka, invite natin
Lack
si,
of hearing.
Lack of hearing. Teka. Si Listen. You have to accept your invitation.
Accept. Where allow.
Ay,
Oh, what?
Teka. Yun.
Okay.
Accept the invitation.
I have received.
Oh no, we're gonna have that feedback
Holy
again.
shit.
Because we're speaking through two microphones. Accept, join. Ayan. Ayan. Please wait.
Wait.
Wait. Like
Okay,
share.
I am hearing.
I'm hearing myself. I'm hearing Joseph.
Oh my God.
Nasaan yung alaw-alaw?
Allow.
Oh no, nagde-delay telecast ka, Joseph, sa akin.
Well, you have received.
I-mute nga kita, bro. Hindi ka naman. Narinig ko sarili ko eh. Dear audience,
We will do something
we'll
that
do
was never
something
done
first.
before.
Ay, nag-loop, nag-infinite feedback.
Looping.
Looping. This is scary.
Yeah.
Tagal. Tagal. Tagal
Please
mag-set.
wait.
Okay. Please wait. Party settings. Mute. Ayun o, yung ngayon ko palang tumatawa na sa feedback eh.
Oh my God.
Paano to mute?
There's no solution.
How do you mute you?
Anybody can help?
What are you playing?
Oh my God! It is Shawn Michaels. It's
Ayun! Okay na.
Okay, I am mute.
Do you hear me?
No.
You don't hear me?
No, I do not hear. It's the showstopper.
But if I mute you, you cannot
I
commentate.
cannot.
Showstopper. Showstopper. Come on. No, I will unmute you. I cannot do this broadcast without your epic commentary.
It is not epic.
It's not gonna be epic.
It is tragic, Bronson. Okay, we are live playing Tropico. And the showstopper is laughing. Oh my God. The showstopper is laughing.
Ano yung Tropico?
Like the scene.
Parang Sin City.
Parang Sin City.
But it's a Sim Island.
It's just one island.
Yeah. You have to survive.
H2.
H2S.
How to survive.
What? Citizens
Pareho kayo nag-ano?
arrive in Tropico.
Hindi, ako
no,
lang.
I'm just
Commentating.
saying anything that is happening.
The
Even
EU
if
will
nothing
not
is
stop to
happening.
anyone who does not uphold.
Accept. Foreign relations 2 out of 4.
Kakainin.
Unite the world. Unite.
Will unite the world. Through military power.
Yes. More aircraft, more fun.
Nag-mute si Box ah.
Ha?
Ay, hindi ka pala nag-mute. Kala ko nag-mute ka.
Hindi.
Plantation.
Teka, nalilito ako. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko dito? Army base.
Nuclear program. Come on.
Hindi, barracks na lang, barracks.
Sabotage.
Barracks
We
na lang,
want
barracks.
nuclear program.
Pero walang sense eh. Lagi silang sumusugod.
Well, that's why you need
Hey, what?
nuclear program.
I don't have uranium yet. We can't do a nuclear program without uranium.
Tsunami.
Tropical spies, Presidente. We have a crisis.
Yeah, whatever
Another
you say.
invasion force.
Oh,
man.
And there are
1, 2, 3,
four of
4.
them.
2 sets of tanks.
Oh my
damn.
God!
Oh man, I'm gonna lose.
Send anybody, somebody.
No! There are 6.
Send Rambo or anybody.
Sabog agad yung tangke ko
Send
eh.
Chuck
oh.
Norris. Chuck Norris.
If only Chuck Norris was here.
Send Chuck Norris. Come on. Oh!
Boom! Wala.
Your building
Ano?
has been destroyed. Eliminated.
Wala, man. campaign. This is so hard.
Well,
Then there are people striking.
oh, hello, additional 2 viewers. Hi. That makes 3 of you with the showstopper. The laughing showstopper.
Wala.
Oh,
Whoa,
Canada.
wait. Nakipel ko.
Oh, good.
Success!
Ah, yeah. Build again.
Ang hirap na itong gagi.
Oh, expletive.
Expletive,
Foul.
What now?
Oh,
What now?
strike. They are having a strike. They are the cousins
they're
of Striker.
unhappy.
Yeah, unhappy. Why so serious, citizens? Why so serious? When I was young. Oh.
When I was
Nice
young.
tropical style.
Tropico Spartan. What is your
Some comrades from
profession?
abroad.
President,
The EU.
the nationalists have too much free time.
The nationalists are not so nationalistic. Build a tax, get tax, social tourism campaign will become
I need a
terrorism
hospital.
campaign.
I need a hospital.
Yes, hospital for Mayor Cassius. Oh, population.
I have maybe after I build the hospital, I will pay for the immigrants because I have lots of jobs. Oh, look,
Yes.
there's so many
Yes.
jobs to do.
Yes.
Okay, maybe that's what I'm gonna do next. I will build first.
You could use 5 janitors.
But I need 8 college graduates for my hospital.
Well, they need to grow up first. They're still in grade school and high school. They should be in the accelerated program.
2 years to college. That's awesome.
They should attend Professor X's class.
What Professor X's class?
There is a helipad. And the showstopper cannot stop laughing.
I'll put it here behind the...
Yes, there. Behind the enemy lines.
Enemy line! There's no enemy line!
Soon
Soon there will be.
We have an opportunity to influence the outcome of coming
Opportunity.
elections.
The ultimate opportunity.
Oh my God! Election nga pala!
Cheat.
Okay. I'm gonna pull off a Marcos again.
Yes. Every time.
We're gonna pull off a Marcos again.
Cold War.
Martial law.
Cold War.
Martial law.
Cold War. All people should have colds, and there will be a Cold War.
Fuck, do their thing.
Their bullets are cold.
Okay, I stopped the election. Martial law. I pulled off a Marcos.
There are 290 labor in 9 grade school.
I have 36 homeless families. We need to build more houses. But wait.
There's more. If you call right now, we will send tsunami.
Ba't kasi hindi sila lumilipat dito? Dami-daming space nitong...
Dahil maarte sila, Kinito. Anong masasabi mo, Kinito? Ayaw nilang lumipat.
Ang sakit sa ulo nitong game na guitar.
In his later years, President of Haiti. Oh,
Oh,
it has, oh.
you were too slow to read that.
Budget. Electrification.
Sige, I'll modernize this profile.
Electrification.
I hope you guys are enjoying
Yeah.
our epic commentary
Oh, that's not me.
of a
Oh,
very,
no, no.
very, very mundane game.
That's not me.
And then who is it?
Somebody from the outside.
What? Somebody? Oh no no
Oh,
no
Bill, no,
don't do
Bill.
this. Cancel construction.
Just like in H2S, L1 to
L1 to cancel and waste
Barricade.
resources.
For terrorist attack, press 1. For tornado, press 2.
Oh man.
The Omen?
No man.
Tinit.
Where did I put up my hospital?
Somewhere there
Where is it?
sa nawawalang hospital. Pag nahanap nila, hindi na nawawala.
Dapat.
May palaisdaan din mo dyan.
Hindi pa, wala pa ako
There-
palaisdaan.
so far, so good. There is nothing in here. The establishment should be handing in fish pan. Yeah, handing.
Ano?
Handing in fish pan.
Sabay pa tayo, embassy ka pa.
Tini. Oh, it's already April. Elections again. Tini. Oh, it's the Undertaker. The Undertaker is coming. Oh my God. Tsunami.
You know what the new hospital needs, ladies?
I know you want it.
I think I may just get sick and catch me a good doctor real soon.
Good doctor. Bye protest. Bye.
Immunization.
Organic campaign.
President, the nationalists are proud
Three
of
police stations.
Trump.
Police stations. Get police stations. Police stations.
Okay.
Oh, they are booing you.
Boo the fuck off.
Oh, expletive. You just said no more expletive. Secret police.
Tamang-tama. I have martial law. I have secret police.
Secret.
My police are in secret.
Oh, you have one college student, one high school student, 0 postgraduate.
What is the happiness rating?
Oh, lack of happiness. The pursuit.
Of
The pursuit.
happiness. Healthcare, 25.
Oh.
What? I just put up a hospital.
Tini.
Homeless families? Come on! Ang dami ko kayong bahay.
Well, kill them all.
Yeah, kill them all! Kill them all! Kill... Ay, hindi pala lumal. It's a tourist.
Wrong person to kill.
Wrong person to kill.
Declare purge. Declare
The domestic
purge.
sunglasses industry, El Presidente has approved the
El Presidente.
That's me, that's
In
me.
the red corner, El Presidente.
Ayan na naman.
Oh my God! And they are 5-6 units.
6-6.
Come on, put the Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat. Sabog agad yung tangke ko at the F.
Well, because General McGoberts is not there.
Oh my God, hindi pa buo yung ano.
Oh no. Accelerate, BD.
Wala na to.
Oh. We are sorry to disappoint our fans. Because in a short while,
We are gonna lose.
oh, ayan na, nagbabarilan sila, Kinito.
Nagbabahay na sila, Kinito.
Oh!
Oh!
Nabuwag na ang building ni Kinito. Tumatakbo na si Kinito. Hinahabol siya ng mga kalaban.
Habol sa Kinito.
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 Ano?
Anong gagawin natin, Kinito?
Askinito.com.
Meron ba doon?
Wala.
Kinito.com. To our dear viewers, we might be uttering senseless statements that you might not understand. We apologize.
Dalawang tangke laban sa ilang tao.
Nananalo yung isang
Mananalo
tao!
yung tao! Oh my God! Nananalo yung tao! Nanalo yung tao! Oh my God! What an upset! What an upset, Kinito! What an epic game!
Game!
Nanalo yung tao sa tangke! Oh my God! It only happens in Tropico. Anything is possible.
President, as
Yan. Gumawa ka na ulit ng building, Kinito.
Wala akong pera, Kinito.
Oh no. Meron ka pang 20,000.
Ayan na, pwede na
Ayan,
po,
pwede
Kinito.
na. Ayan. What is Kinito's game plan for the next invasion?
I don't know, man.
Oh, what is that? 49,000?
What 49,000?
The exported tropical. Unhappy! Some are unhappy! Make them happy! Send them clowns!
Send my army?
Clowns!
All the other world leaders who is the
Big museum! The night at the museum! Big
I'll buy them
museum! Tini-ni-ni-ni-ni-ni, the never-ending music! Tini-ni-ni-ni-ni-ni-ni.
Wala pong nangyayari, Kinito.
Oh. Pero mamaya, meron na yan. Kaya maghanda ka na, Kinito. They do not know what we are talking
Understand who
about.
Kinito is. They don't even know who Kinito is.
For your own safety, don't know Kinito.
Mangungutang muna ako.
Oh, mangutang ka kay Kinito.
Mangungutang ako kay Kinito. Wala po akong pera, Kinito.
Kinito, oh. Gabi na.
Kinito.
This is not a test broadcast. A tsunami is coming. Run for your lives. Oh, sorry. Wrong alarm. False alarm. 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 Something is happening. Exported tropical goods. They might get hijacked.
They won't. Teka.
Another aircraft carrier.
Oh my God, the embassies are not yet done.
Oh.
Come on. Praise the EU. I can praise the USA.
A new era of knowledge
A
is
new
upon us.
era.
Abandon.
New era. Para sa'yo.
Hindi nga yun yung kinanta niya kanina eh.
Yeah,
He had to compose a new song.
Yeah.
Which Jimmy Kimmel sang.
Yeah. Kimmel.
The Jimmy Kimmel Show.
The Late Late Show with the showstopper.
Giant tropical spiders, President.
Giant tropical spiders. Oh my God. ADF.
What are you?
AADF. Alien Defense or something. Yes. Some
Ano yun?
game of Josh ages ago. AADF. You're against aliens and well, we are playing Tropico. Age 49. He's out of his prime. Oh my. Age 54.
I have lots of Tropicans that cannot move
Yeah.
to this very poor neighborhood. Because they prefer to be in a rich neighborhood.
If you wanna be tropical, give me a hell yeah. Please.
Okay.
They do not like jobs. They do not like.
I will modernize this into an apartment.
Yeah.
Maybe this one also. Ano?
All of them. All
No.
of them.
They will end up homeless.
All
Because they
of
can't
them.
afford to move to an apartment.
Well, they can just live by the boat.
I am so furious. I cannot believe
Curious and furious.
Nagkudeta yung mga
Expletive. Another expletive.
Because I pulled off a Marcos, now they're pulling off
Yeah.
Aninoy. Guy.
Kinito. Anong gagawin ni Marcos? Kinito. Wala ka pang TV station.
Wala po. Wala. I give up.
What?
Tapos may a-attack pa na invasion force po. Tek naman oh.
To apply European grant for
Ano to?
just click anything that moves.
Wala na. I give up.
Well, thank you for your patronage.
We will play another game
Okay.
after this. And
Yes.
have a couple of beers.
Yes. And the showstopper. Stay in tune. For the next stopper. He's just a sexy boy. Sexy boy. He's not a boy to. Oh yeah. You're getting eliminated. 6-on-1.
Wala. 6-on-1. Tapos some of my own soldiers are attacking me. Wala. Ano to? Wala. This is probably what Marcos felt like.
Yeah. And that's what Kinito is anticipating. Because Kinito has a game plan.
Game plan.
Yeah. You
Oh
don't
my
comprehend
God.
it. Quit.
No.
Okay, goodbye. See you next game.